All right, let's give you a refresher on how to deploy to Heroku before we worry about Google App Engine. Here's what we did previously. Here's a whole bunch of footnotes on how to deploy to Heroku if you want to pause and read that. And then what this means and this means is down here, so you can pause and read that as well. And so we're going to go deploy this. So we're going to go right-click on Atomic Ivy MMO.js, and we're going to go... not full file path to clipboard. We could do this, but we could also do open containing folder in Explorer, which is what I want to do. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to full screen this, and then I'm going to right click. I'm going to go git bash here, and it's going to open up me a terminal here. And we're going to control mouse wheel to zoom in here. We're going to do a git status to see what we got here. So we have some changes. We're going to do a git add dot to add everything. Then we're going to clear. We're going to do a git status again. We're going to see what we got. Okay, we have some changes. Then we're going to do a git commit -m for message. And then we need a commit message. So for me, it's going to be 347 because that's the video on. And then www.tinyurl.com/bomb playlist 004 because we're on bomb playlist 4. So I'm going to make this my commit message. -m is for message. Then clear. Then we're going to do git status one more time. See what we got? Okay, git push. And we're going to do Heroku master. But before we do Heroku master, let's go git remote -v. So the way we did this is we had to do git remote add for both of these, right? So I did a git remote add with this, and then I did a git remote add with this. So I did like git remote add, and then git SSH, and then this name here. And then I did the same thing with Heroku. I did git add Heroku, and I named it like this so I knew it wasn't a keyword. And then I did space, and then I did this name here. So these names are going to vary depending on what your Git repo names are, but I just want to refresh that in your head. So you need those before you can do git push, git SSH, right? Because we need that setup. So git push, git SSH master. Then the final thing is git push Heroku master. And when we push up to the Heroku repo, it has some like git deploy hooks, which is going to say, hey, we got a repo, let's go deploy it. It's going to go look for the package.json to figure out how to deploy the project, and it's going to spit up a Node.js server. So we're out of time. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail.